వి గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ తాకట్టులో ఉన్న మీ బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకే కొనబడును. కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ 9999954567.
Hi, hello, Max viewers. Welcome. Here today we have with beautiful, gorgeous Anne Nananu because everybody knows that she's so beautiful. But today I'm with Nidhi Agarwal, who is very hardworking, determined and dedicated. అది నేను చెప్పింది కాదు, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారే నిన్న స్టేజ్ మీద చెప్పారు. సో ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్. అందరూ అది నమ్మి తీరాలి. సో వెల్కమ్ టు నిధి అగర్వాల్ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్.
ఫర్ ద నైస్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్.
మీరు ఎన్నో ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చేసి టైర్డ్ అయిపోయి ఉంటారు బికాస్ ఐ థింక్ so stressed. So make it very little interesting to our viewers. So make it a girly chat kind of thing.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Shall we shoot the questions?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. I would like to ask the first question from the morning routine. It's like, are you a morning person or a midnight owl?
I'm actually morning. Morning.
Starts with what?
As in to drink
Yes,
or apply?
eat or anything. First thing in the morning.
So first thing that I have is I have hot water, lemon and ginger.
Okay.
That's how I start my day.
Okay.
And I try to not open social media in the morning. The first thing I try and do is like I play like maybe a spiritual song or a positive affirmations video on YouTube and just kind of wake up. It takes me a while to wake up.
Okay.
So I need that half an hour of time of not talking to anybody on my own. I need that time. Once I wake up, I'm good to talk to people.
What is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is idli.
Oh, so you like South Indian
I
food?
love South Indian
Okay.
food. So my favorite breakfast is idli, but I can't have idli every day. So
Okay.
I have eggs and avocado
Okay.
some days.
Okay. Okay.
So I used to have kanji.
Okay. Oh,
But-
you love kanji. It's,
Yeah.
Nowadays, it's like very famous because it's
Yeah.
an old ritual, old traditional food. But
Correct.
nowadays,
So
everybody.
I've been having kanji for the last 1 year, one and a half year.
So for our
So-
viewers, tell me what is the importance of kanji?
So kanji is something that it gives you a lot of energy. It keeps your stomach and your body very cool, and it's
Yes.
very easy to make.
Yes. True.
You know, so you don't need like gas and this and that. You don't need that whole setup. So even if you're traveling to any foreign country in this world, there's always rice, there's always water, there's always salt, and there's always yogurt, curd,
Yes.
whatever. So I think it's the most convenient food to have.
That's what we call sadhanam in Telugu.
Exactly.
Yes.
I know
Yes.
Chaddanam.
right.
Sadhanam.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Sadhanam.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
We'll eat with onion piece and one
yeah.
chili.
I have it with a lot of chilies, green
Ooh.
chilies. I love little spicy food. So mine is full of green chilies.
Okay. Okay. So what is one thing that you'll always carry in your handbag?
My phone charger, my I carry like a lipstick and a lip balm.
Okay. So what's the
Then
one best like beauty product that you always carry with you? That's your favorite.
I think beauty product would be two things. One is a lipstick, because sometimes I feel like even when I'm not wearing makeup, if I just have a little bit of color on my lips, I'm good.
Okay.
And the second would be a makeup removing wipe.
Okay.
I always carry that because sometimes you just leave from shoot, right? So you can always just wipe your face in the car or
Okay.
flight.
So are you a saree or hoodie person? Like it's like you
I
go just like that if you're planning to go
think,
out with your friends. So what will be the first pick of your wardrobe?
If I'm going out with my friends, it'll be a pair of jeans and a top or a t-shirt or something like that. So jeans. But what I like the most is sari. I
Okay.
like seeing myself in saris and in like in events and all of that. I always mostly choose saris.
Sarees.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got a question. So if you want to steal someone's wardrobe, like any actress or your favorite or anyone or your friends or some designer or someone, so whom it will be?
I think abroad it would be like Blake Lively from Gossip Girl. I think she
Oh,
has the
okay.
most amazing like off-screen wardrobe.
Okay.
Amazing shoes and bags and clothes and everything. So I love her style. In India, I think Kangana Ranaut has very nice style. She has like some really nice.
You can see her in a
Things.
saree in the
Yeah.
airport also, how gracefully she wore.
Yeah. So I think she chooses very like classic and very elegant kind of things. So I think
Now you're allowed to go to Ireland, you're going, but you're allowed to take only 3 things with you. So what it would be?
first thing I'll take an umbrella
Okay.
because
Okay.
I just hate it when the sun is
Sun,
bright in
okay.
my eyes and face. So First thing is umbrella. Second thing would be some kind of snacks
Mm.
to eat because
It's an
I
island.
need to eat things time to time.
True.
And third would be what would I take?
Mm.
Maybe my phone, but I
Phone?
can't use it.
You're not allowed to. Then
Damn. Maybe a camera then.
camera.
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to,
To capture all
everything,
the moments.
I can see you in a beautiful black dress. Can you describe your outfit today and what
So
you're wearing today?
yeah, today I'm not styled. This is just my own, wardrobe because I had like one interview today. So I thought again, because yesterday twice we did the whole
Yes,
thing.
true,
so I
true.
was
You
like,
the
today
whole day
just-
such
yeah,
that-
so no hair done, nothing.
Still, you're
It's
beautiful.
just all me. This is a normal dress from Zara, I think, or Bershka. I'll have to check. This is my watch
Okay.
and my earrings that I wear almost every day. I love hoops.
Oops.
So
Okay.
I think my mom gifted me these, and these are my shoes.
Okay. So by
In the
saying them,
car, I
you got-
have flats. So
That's
as
what I
soon
would
as I'm done with the interview, I'm going to sit in the car and change it.
That's
from
what I'm
this.
I'm going to ask the next question. You like the heels or like you want the
No,
flats? Do you
I
know, it's like
want
a
flats.
sneakers person.
I want flats because I've always been a tall girl. Like I've never worn too much of heels.
Mm-mm.
So it's not very easy for me to wear heels. After a point, I start feeling tired and I feel like why waste so much of energy, So I immediately change back to flats. So I have my flats always in the car. And once I'm done with the shoot or event, I'll have my flats on.
To coming to the girly chart, then I would
Mhm.
like to ask you one question. Like, would you really recommend like ఇప్పుడు జరిగే Botox treatments కానివ్వండి, it's like skin procedures కానివ్వండి, it
Yeah.
became very viral and every like in 8 of the people like will go for the
Yeah,
beauty
too many
procedures.
people are getting it
like,
done.
You know that.
I feel like too many people are getting it done without doing their research.
A
you
proper
know?
surgeon.
Yeah, I think you need to, if somebody wants to get a treatment, then you need to really plan it for a couple of months. You need to do your research, maybe talk to people who've gotten procedures done and see how they feel. But I really feel like maybe sometimes if someone wants to do it, great, they should go ahead with it.
Mm.
But I really feel like sometimes when I look at older people now, especially women,
Mm.
people who have always taken care of their skin a lot from a younger age, they still have really great skin.
Mm.
Like it could be maybe a simple thing like applying coconut oil every day for some time. So your skin is always hydrated.
You should accept that age things.
Yeah, you should.
Some of-
And also you should start taking care of your skin at a very young age.
Mm.
I feel with natural things
Mm.
like coconut oil, like castor oil, like besan. I think the word is something
Yes,
else
it's
here,
based on
but
itself. Yes.
besan. And I think these kind of things
Mm.
like kacha,
Like yes,
unboiled
haldi, whatever we have in the
milk,
kitchen, you'll say.
haldi, honey.
Natural. Mm.
There are so many things, Chandan, that we have, which I feel like if you start from a younger age to just keep your skin hydrated,
Okay.
you don't need to do too much when you are older. So I think it starts young.
Have you ever Googled yourself?
Yeah, many times.
Okay.
Yeah, I do sometimes. Yeah,
Are you a fan of Disney princesses?
I am.
So, who is your favorite Disney character and whom you wanted to?
I love Beauty and the Beast
Okay.
because I feel like it's such a deep story. Like everybody wants a Prince Charming coming on a horse,
True.
but
This is different. You're
Yeah.
accepting the true love.
in Beauty and the Beast, she accepts him as a beast, and then when she loves him, you can take it in two ways. Either she starts seeing him as a
Outer appearance doesn't make any
yeah, and she starts seeing him as a prince, and that's why they cinematically show us that she's seeing him like that, or he really turns into a prince.
True.
That we'll have to ask the writer.
Correct.
But I think it's a very deep and beautiful concept
True.
of love and acceptance.
The best gift somebody gave it to you and you kept it very safely, and whenever you'll see it, you'll feel that this is the best gift ever.
There are so many things, sometimes people give me small notes, or when I'm on the flight also, the air hostesses, they like write something. So whenever I get like something that's like a nice note or something handwritten,
Okay.
I always keep it.
Okay.
So it'll be in my bag, and then all of it will go into this one place at home. So those kind of things. And I think my parents, certain things that they've given me, like I've kept it very safe. But in general, like I'm not a hoarder at all.
Okay.
I'm the first person to clear things out,
Okay.
Yeah.
So coming to the movie, because now we are here because of the movie, I just like to ask 3 questions about the
Okay.
Harihara Veeramallu.
Yeah.
What's your favorite day in the whole shooting?
my first day of shoot.
So why
This
is it?
was my first day, and this
Was
was my
it?
first shot.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
was literally my first shot of
Okay.
the film.
So when you saw before, did you meet him before? Like Pavan
No,
Kalyan గారిని మీరు
no.
చూసారా చూడలేదు? Okay.
The first time I met sir was on the shooting spot right before the shot.
Okay.
Okay.
We would like to hear one thing about పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు that we didn't know. మాకు ఇంతవరకు తెలియలేదు, మీరు చూసారు ఆ సెట్ లో ఎలా అనిపించింది, అది we should know that. Like
Yeah, set lo sir chala involved ఉంటారు. You know, he's very involved in everything, whether it's the scene, whether it's the shot, the dialogues, the choreography. So అన్ని aspects లో sir involvement 100% ఉంటుంది. At least on our film, that's what I observed.
you're nervous when you met him the first show?
I was very excited, more than like I'm sure I was nervous
Because I can
also.
see that is like full such thing. And you're like, so you're having lots of jewelry.
So
and it's like,
seriously, like I
Yes.
think it was so beautiful. I went as a character for the first time. I entered that set for the first time, and this was the first shot.
biggest.
And yeah,
If you like I did with that sleep that steel water was done.
yeah.
So what would you like to give beauty advice to our viewers?
Beauty advice, I would like to say focus on your diet a lot, because diet chala important untundi. Diet doesn't mean not eating. Diet means eating right and eating healthy and eating nutrition. So diet 80% of your face, body, sometimes mental health, emotions, like vitamin D deficiency can cause you
Lots
know
of
a lot of irritation and low mood. So everything is related to your diet. So first diet correct cheyali, and second is take care, be out of the sun, try and avoid being under direct sun. Have a nice nighttime routine. I think more than morning, having a good nighttime routine is very important, where you give your skin a lot of hydration, and try and go natural as much as possible. Unless someone really needs help in certain areas, it's okay, but maximum try and keep it natural.
Would like to say what is your last picture in your mobile? With whom you
Okay.
took with?
Let me see. It'll be something from yesterday's event. Oh my god, okay. So the last picture on my mobile is an unreleased photo from yesterday's shoot. Is this? So it's
Then
not
in
yet.
case I would
I'm
like
going
to see a
post
selfie
it.
whom you took with.
Selfie.
Yes.
Well, it's not a selfie, but somebody sent me this.
It's with Pavan Kalyan garu yesterday night.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I would like to ask the last question for us. So, ever had a filmy crush moment in real life?
Filmy crush moment in real life? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think so. No.
అంత మంచి అందమైన అమ్మాయికి ఇప్పటివరకు బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ అండ్ క్రష్ అండ్ సమ్మర్ లైక్
ఏం చేయాలి అండి
అరే
కొంచెం టైం ఉంది ఫర్ దాట్ I think. Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ నిధి
Thank you. Lovely talking to you. You did a great job.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
All the best for everything.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్
ahead.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండ్ చూసారు కదా, ఇది ది బెస్ట్ గర్ల్ అడ్వైస్ ఫ్రమ్ నిధి అగర్వాల్ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.